I grow up, what could I be? A senator, a surgeon, aim for the heights. But the guidance office says lower my sight. For my 59 cents for every man's dollar. 59 cents, it's a low down deal. 59 cents makes a grown woman holler. They give me a diploma, it's my paycheck they steal.
Live fast, die young, bad girls do it well. Live fast, die young, bad girls do it well.
I'm off to college, the best I can find, to move on up and sharpen my mind. Honors in English, but my boss is great. Shakespeare is nice, but we wish it could type.
59 cents for every man's dollar. 59 cents, it's a low down.